How to deactivate or delete a Facebook account. In today's video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Then tap on this profile icon right here. Go to the settings menu by tapping on these three lines here. Press Settings and Privacy. Again, press Settings. Then tap here on the Account Center. Go to Manage Accounts. Press Manage. Here we'll choose this second option, deactivation or deletion. Now if we want to deactivate our account, then we will select this first option, deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You'll be able to continue Messenger, but if we want to delete our Facebook account permanently, then we'll select this second option as delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything else you've added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything you've added. All additional profiles, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Once you are satisfied, press Continue. Give a reason why you are deleting your Facebook account. Choose any option best for you and press Continue. Again, there is a confirmation pop-up. Press Continue. Scroll down. If you want to export your data like photos, videos, and posts, then you can otherwise press Continue. Finally, enter your Facebook account password and your Facebook account will be deleted. That's it, guys. Found helpful? Then leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.